lot of patina within the space, natural materials, timber, stone, which come together as a collective, which is augmented and supplemented by the Swoop piece. The client wanted something special that would also set the benchmark as the first in Mövenpick's new brand, Grand Plaza. Swoop, their interpretation was far ahead of any of their competitors.
The Swoop was inspired by the fast but still focused flight of the birds. It aims to express the mood of dawn when the birds fly up to the sky.
We're on the migratory path. Because of that, we created this idea that would be reminiscent of the birds and the flutter of wings. It also would correlate with a desert storm.
The final installation consists of more than 3,500 pieces of glass. Each and every one is hand-blown, which means that the glass blowers had to make the same shape again and again. When designing such a unique object, it's important to think about the environment and the space. The glass components are leading the visitors through the whole hotel, starting in the lobby and heading high into the upper levels.
And then, of course, when you look down, it's extremely exciting to look from the top down. All these hotels, there's got to be that Instagram moment, that moment when you walked into a hotel and you said, "Oh my word, look at that." There's got to be that moment, and I think this does achieve that result.